Okay, so this is subject 1 for a narrow condition, narrow push-up condition. So the first thing what we're going to do is that we have to find the linear acceleration. So what we'll do is we'll right click on column D, and we were just going to insert a column in between C and D. And now we are going to do a formula. We're going to do the square root. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So that's, you tap A, square root that. Yeah. And then plus B squared. Square it plus C and square that. And you should press enter. So now all you have to do is double click at the corner, and the whole column should fill up, and all that data for the first 3 columns are done. All you have to do is copy, so Control C or right click, and paste into column H. So when you do this, now you have all the data for E, F, and G, and this is your angular velocity. So what we're going to do is label these columns. So we're going to insert a row. Column D will be linear acceleration. Column H is angular velocity. Perfect. Okay, so we don't have to make a graph for angular velocity, even though that's what we're looking for. We're going to make a graph for linear acceleration. So go ahead and select column D, insert, and let's make a line graph. Good. And what we will do is just make the graph nice and wide. Let's get rid of this. Okay, so this is the only tricky part. You have to figure out where to start your data point, where the push-up is. And what you want to do is have a piece of paper and a pencil on you. So, shit. Okay. I'll just write them up here. So what I'm going to start here is with the first push-up right here. And all you have to do is hover, and I'll tell you what the point number is. So 0.39. So that's my start for push-up 1, and end will be 105. So that's push-up 1 starting and ending. Push-up 2 will be 106 till that's 1 push-up. This is 2 push-ups. Let's do here. Come on, marker. Let's go. There we go. 209. Alright, so that's 2 push-ups. And let's get our 3rd push-up. 316. So it'll be, the first one will be 210, and then 316, which is now for the 3rd push-up. And so starting marker for the 4th push-up will be 317. And let's go all the way out here. 4th to 25. It's around a little bit over 100 for each push-up, 100 data points. So the first one will be 426. And we'll come all the way out here, 569. So these data points are just so we can take the average for the angular acceleration, which is row H. So average angular velocity. Okay. So we push up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we will take the average. Okay, so equals average. Again, it's column H that we are using. So you would, for the first push-up, it would be 39, and you're selecting all the points between that and H105. And I'll give you the sum of all those points, and we'll do the same for 2. Average H106 to H209 equals average 210, H210, H316 equals that, equals average H, I must have skipped one earlier. Let me try this again. So I did 210, okay, never mind. Alright, equals average 317, H317 to H425. Again, your data point numbers will be different from what I have right now. Equals average H426 to H469. Okay, so I just found the average angular velocity for each push-up. So now we're just going to take the average of all the push-ups, select all this data right here that we just got, and boom, that's the number we want, and that's the number we will write down. To convert this into a number instead of scientific, you just select up here and go to number. So now that's the number we have, and so far all the data has been around from 70 to about 100. So if your data is close to here, that's like a good number. Alright, and just do this for each condition for each subject. And just stop.